Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change profile picture on LinkedIn mobile. Firstly, what you need to do, simply you need to get up into the section side by typing on your profile photo on your left upper side. Then go for view profile with a blue section, and right after that click just on your profile photo. When you click on it, here as you can see you have three options, and you need to choose the first option which says view or edit profile photo. Go for that section, and now here we have also the option which says add photo. Click on the second option. You can take a photo right now in the moment, or you can get an upload from your photos. Now I will go and upload from my photos. Then I need to choose that photo, for example this one, then select or crop the section of this video, and when you're done just go on your right upper side for save. Then you need to wait to get up to that full session, take a refresh, and now as you can see we have changed our profile photo on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.